Every so often, you just want to play a sad song, and this is a sad song. It's REM, Everybody Hurts. We're in 6/8. First chord is going to be a D major. So, you're going to pick up and down a D chord, right? So with your pick, go down, 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 then skip and come up, up, up. All right? Now we're going to do that pattern pretty much all the time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to play a G major. The cool thing about that is you can leave this behind, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And then you go back to D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, G. Now what you'll notice there in the switch between the D and G, there's kind of an open G sounding note. Now typically what you want to try and do is always stay in the chord as long as you can during the bar. But what Peter Buck does here, Peter Buck, I think that's his name, the guitar player in the band. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the change you hit the 6, which is a G, which feels wrong in the D chord, but by the time you get to the G chord, it's resolved into the chord, right? So that's why it sounds cool. So you get this. Yeah? Okay. So that's how the first 12 bars go. Now, eventually we're going to get into an E minor, and how he gets into the E minor, he plays G, D with an F sharp bass, and then down to E minor. So that's how this works. This is the 4th time round, like if you like, the 13th bar of the verse. D, D again, G, then G. Then put your index finger, effectively is kind of D with an F sharp in the bass. All right, and then you're going to play E minor. Now, he plays it like that, right? So you don't really need anything on the guitar if you hit the right strings. I know, reminds you of something else, right? Tell me what that is in the comments. Anyway, so E minor, you don't really need it, but just in case you hit the wrong string, put the chord there. Safety never takes a holiday. So, then we're going to E minor, A major. See what I mean? So it's those two chords, right? A major, E minor. Now, this time on the A major, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you go back into the verse. Right? Cool, hey? Pretty easy so far. All right, now, then we get to the loud kind of electric guitar bit. I think it's all electric guitar. I don't know why I'm playing an acoustic guitar, but there you go. So F major, F sharp major, we're going to go. That's basically the pattern, right? Now, if you're scared of this sort of situation, you can't play that yet, you could just play 1, 1, 2, 3. Fretwise, 2, 2, 3, 4. That's an F sharp major. And then you're going to play B minor. Now, regularly you'd go F sharp major, B minor. If you were doing that sort of little version, you could just do that, right? So you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Da, 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 da. Okay? Right. And then you get a C, G, go back into the, and that, can I play it and talk at the same time? I don't know, let's find out. Is the tune. If you'd like more lessons, do subscribe. There are over 1,000 lessons here on my channel. What does he do it for? I don't know. G, right. New ones every week. If you want the chart, go to Patreon. Oh, see you next time.